today with Shantelle, so we can take a little quick tour down the pre-cut lane. We do carry pre-cuts here. You guys do a lot of pre-cutting yourself,
Yes,
right?
we do. We make a little fat quarter bundles up and stuff.
Fat quarter bundles, fat quarters, and you have super fat quarters.
Yes, we do.
All kinds of little pre-cuts. So we're going to show you that really quick so you can see what we have online on the website or if you're here in the store. Before we get started, I want to kind of show you one of the chips that I used, Twilight from Northcott, to make a quilt that I did. It was so easy. You'd be surprised what you can do with pre-cuts. I just took the pre-cuts. You want to hold that, Shantelle?
Yeah.
So I cut up the charms and just put them individually around here. Then I cut up some of the black Stonehenge Northcott, right? And then just kind of put it in here. Did an inch, inch and a half, so it would sew in as an inch of black hair. 2.5 inch cut, so I did strips on here. This again is the Twilight. Then I did a 3.5 inch cut of the Northcott, which made it 3 inches. Then I just bound it in Northcott. So I literally just took everything that we carry here all the time. It's an ongoing product that's going to always be here, and turned it into just a small quilt. And you can do the same thing. So easy what you can do with pre-cuts.
Yes, it is.
So we have that. And then I think you had another one that you did last month.
We had one that we had our tonal trio chips from Northcott.
Okay.
And it's actually an exclusive, what do you call them?
Design
pattern that is, the pre-cuts are only sold at Linda's.
Yes. So you can get yardage other places, but we have the pre-cuts for you. So we have the chips, and then we have
the tiles,
and
the strips.
And the strips, okay? All in the tonals. So
Can I tell you something kind of cool, though?
Yeah.
I met Patrick.
Did you?
I did. I met him at QuiltCon.
Fun.
It was a really cool event. An amazing guy, everything. So anyways,
cool.
He makes the tonal trio, so I thought I had a little
slide
that in there because he's pretty great.
So show us some of the colors that are in there.
So these are all the colors that are in there.
Lots of
really
fun rainbow
really
colors.
cute. Just something small.
Yeah.
When you do if you go to baby showers or something, you know, take some chips and make a little small quilt out of them or something like that.
Because you just took one package.
This is one package.
One package, and then just add a little border.
Add a little border. Yeah.
And good to go. And if you want to make it bigger, you can do something like what I did, where I made it bigger. And if you want to make it even bigger, you could use the tiles. Right?
Yes, the tiles, the 10 inch.
The 10 inch tiles. So instead of these little small ones, it's the same theory. You make it bigger.
It makes it bigger.
So there's such easy, and there's amazing patterns out there on pre-cuts on what to do with them. So Shantelle, without further ado, let's go through the ones that we have here at the store.
All right, let's do it.
All right, Shantelle, let's go.
All right, so we just talked about the tonal trio chips, but here is the strips. This shows you all the colors that we have in the pre-cuts, and then these are the tiles right here.
That's definitely a good way to kind of see what's in the tiles and the chips and all the different ones is just look at that strip pack.
Look at the strip pack. Here is one from Connecting Threads. We have it's called Shimmer, and it has all the different colors that you can see in that. And then we also have that in a chips pack as well.
Okay.
We do have the gradations. This is graphite. You can see it's more of the grays and black tones.
Neutrals, really good gray neutrals. Yeah.
We have that in the chips, and the tiles are sold out, but they're coming in. It's something that we carry all the time.
Okay.
So then we have the Twilight, and that's the one that you just showed. You could see more of the blues and purples in it, kind of deep tones, but just beautiful because you know I love my purples.
Yes.
We carry that in the chips, strips, and tiles as well. We do have Mystic. Mystic we have we carry in all three as well, but kind of give you an idea of it's a little bit of a lighter purple than and some pinkish in there than the Twilight.
What I like about it is that even when they're watching this video, probably a year from now, we'll still be carrying these things.
Yes,
so
we will be. Because these are all the basics for the gradations for Stonehenge.
Okay.
So, and then this is what they call the crystal pack, which you got your blues, pinks, purples, greens, a little bit of everything. It's my good variety that I like to put in a lot of quilts. We carry that in strips, chips, and tiles as well. We go over to Gemstone. Gemstone's a beautiful line. It has really natural tones to it.
Yeah, exactly, like earth tones.
Yeah, earth tones and stuff. It's really pretty. We carry that in the chips, strips, and tiles. We do Pine Ridge, which if you like green and you have this like greenery quilt you want to do, it has all shades of green in here.
Love it.
And we have that in the chips chip strips and tiles as well. The oxidized copper, this is Corey's favorite, absolute favorite, loves this. And it has really nice earth tones as well, but it keeps to the lower of it, doesn't have the bright earth tones in there. And
Really earthy.
yes, very earthy.
Awesome.
And the same chip strips and tiles on those. We have the Midnight, which
I'm going to have you say that three times as one.
Right? So I have all the blues. This is called Midnight. So it has a variety of blues in there from light to dark, all blues in there. So if you have that blue quilt you want to make. Chip strips and tiles. I'm getting it down. Then we have what they call Blue Planet. Blue Planet, I did miss Peacock on coming back, but the Blue Planet one, it has kind of like the lighter greens.
Yeah, like the mintish, the sages.
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's really pretty too, and I've seen this on a lot of quilts. It's been really pretty.
Oh, I bet.
I do like Peacock because it's a blue-green mix. So you have the lighter blues, darker blues, and then you got a hint of green in there.
Awesome.
So chip strips and tiles on all those as well.
All righty.
We come over here to what they call Marbach. We are all out of the strips at the moment, but I do have a chip here that kind of run through the colors to see all the different colors. It has this really pretty corals and mauve to burgundy type colors.
So if we don't have it now, we'll have them back on stock, so don't fear.
Then we have Minerals, same thing. Minerals is very earth tony.
Yeah.
And it has the light to dark tones, which I call it, to me, this is rock colors.
Yeah, exactly. So different rock formation colors.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we have that in chip strips and tiles, and then we have slate, which is also earth tones again, but you have some blacks and browns in there that are a little bit darker and doesn't have those bright mineral colors in there.
So now you guys see why I have Shantelle doing this, because I do not know the names of any of these without looking on the back.
And then we actually do have, we have our little fat quarter bundles here. We do carry some from the Gradation Northcott, which these are the, what they call the multi-mixer. And it just has a little bit of everything, like all different colors in this one.
Yeah, so if you just want to try those out, but you don't want to get a yard of each of that,
there's 10 of them in here. And then we did have what they call the gemstone pack. And this is the gemstone pack that has all of these.
Love it. I love a good fat quarter set.
Yeah,
and these are definitely use that.
24 in this one.
Nice.
We do. I'm going to skip over Crystal real quick and go to Mineral because Minerals is also 24.
Okay.
We have the same thing, the Mineral pack that has the 24 fat quarter bundle.
Fun. Make sure you're clicking that link in the description if you guys are wanting some of these. It'll also pop up and say Shop Fat Quarters Now. Make sure you use that code Dianna10 to get an extra 10% off.
And this is one of my favorite packs.
That's so pretty.
It's just gorgeous. And this has 30 fat quarters in it.
Nice.
And it's called Crystal, and it has all the really pretty, it's just gorgeous.
Oh, they make pretty cool. All the colors, they complement each other too.
They do. Our assistant, my assistant, Linnell, made a quilt out of these, and it's just beautiful. She did the floating flowers with the gradations. So. And then these are our cave collections.
So we'll just get up a little close.
Yeah, we have some strips as well as fat quarter bundles from the cave collections. They all kind of have different names. I know this one is Spectrum with, if you're looking at the different colors in it. The blue one is Royal. I had to look at the name on that one.
That's okay.
And then
these are new. You didn't have
these are newer. So. And then Polaris.
Yeah. So when I come back next year, you'll have them all by heart.
Yes.
And then we'll just change the collections by then when it comes to those. And then I want to see this egg thing.
Okay. So this egg thing is the cutest thing. It is fat quarter bundles or fat quarters that are in there. But if you look at the fat quarters, they actually have like little chicken feet and confetti on them. You know, and we have the backing that actually matches, that goes with this. It's by Charisma. She designed the fabric and everything like that.
That is so cute.
From Timeless Treasures.
That is the cutest thing if you're looking for like a little Easter gift or something.
Scratch.
That's perfect timing for that.
So cute.
Alrighty. All right, show us a few more.
Okay, and these are ones that we have made here in store.
Okay.
So this is what we call the painted petal. We have all these different colors in here. I try to do it this way so everybody can see the colors as they go through it, so they're a little different
And
put
these
together.
are all collections that you've done with them. So
Yes.
they're all coordinating fabrics.
They are
match.
coordinating fabrics that we have. I just made them into fat quarter bundles.
Perfect.
So, and then we have these. This is the metallic fat quarter bundle, and it has different types of metallics in there for you.
Fun.
And then I got the grunge, what we call it, the neutral grunge bundle. And these have 15. These were 10 up here.
Okay.
But these are this is a 15. And it has just neutral colors in a general sense of neutrals that you might use and stuff like that.
Yeah.
This is America the Beautiful. And this is 15 as well. And just all different colors. We do actually have a quilt that has been made out of these, but we took it to QuiltCon, so it hasn't been unpacked yet.
All right, I'll make sure I get a picture of that in the video.
Then we have our black and white collection. These are 10 in here, and it's most of those are coordinating same black and whites. To coordinate, there's a few in there that don't. There's like one or two that don't match.
Oh, you can't mix up black and white though.
Yeah,
that's all good. It'll
you
all
can't.
work.
And then this is the shimmer bundle from Connecting Threads. It is 10 of the shimmers that we carry here, because we carry all of these that you see fat quarter bundles. We have yardage as well in all of them.
That's good to know. Good to know.
And then this is what I call the Valentine's Day bundle. I'm a heart person. This is actually, let me retract that. This is the only bundle that does not have yardage in it. I made this strictly for, when we got it in, they were such low yardage, we just turned them into a fat quarter bundle.
No, those are super fun. You can use those any time of the year,
You can. And then we have our rainbow, one of my favorites, our rainbow grunge fat quarter bundle that has a light and dark of each color. So you can implement it in any quilt. Anyone that likes to make the rainbow quilts and stuff like that, you have all your colors right here.
Perfect.
So, and then we do have
some more?
Yes, we have some more. Just around the corner, we have our Moda.
Okay, let me get over here. All right, we'll start at the very top there.
Yes. So this is probably one of my favorites, Flower Patches. It's really pretty. We have it in jelly rolls and layered cakes. We actually have sold out of all of the charm packs, and we have been told that they're sold out. They just haven't been able to get any more back in.
Okay, so we won't focus on that one too much.
Yeah. So, and then we have Sunday brunch.
But the one thing good about Moda, though, is that you'll find something really fun that you'll love. They will sell out, but every season they come out with more.
They do.
So there's always something awesome coming out from Moda. So
there is.
What we're showing you, there'll be more of different kinds like this.
They will. And this is Sunday brunch. It has some really cool, and it literally matches its name.
Yeah.
You know, it looks like a Sunday
spring
brunch.
Sunday brunch.
Yes, it does. And this is Goodnight Irene. It's a very vintagey line that has the pinks, the creams, the greens, purples.
Kind of look like mom's colors.
Yeah, they do. They really do. And then this is Wildflowers. And you can see just all different types of wildflowers, literally.
Yeah, love it.
And then Red, White, and Bloom. And it's all the red, white, and blue colors and flowers. You can never go wrong with flowers.
I sure can.
And then we have the Chirp pack. This is really popular. It has all of the different colors, and I actually got some coordinating fabrics with this. They just have cute little chirps on there.
Little birds.
Little
chirp,
birds
chirp.
on there. And so the ones down here are actually ones that we do carry these pretty much all the time. These have been reorderable.
Okay.
So this is the I was gonna say that eyelet. This is the eyelet one. So it has like the polka dots.
So
it's a really good.
It's reorderable.
Yeah.
Really good
so
blender.
the eyelets are reorderable, and the XOXO have been reorderable.
Awesome.
So.
Shantelle, that was so fun walking around, seeing the different pre-cuts that we carry here in the store. Again, they're obviously on our website as well, so you can go over on that, hit that link, go over there, get it, use my discount code Dianna10, get that extra 10% off. You're welcome. But in the meantime, check them out. We got it all.
We do.
Fun stuff. And I love that you guys pre-cut fat quarters. So that's not very often where you go to a store where like the main blender fabrics that people want to use are going to be pre-cut, whether you just get one fat quarter or if you go ahead and have them in a bundle form.
Yeah.
And that you've already coordinated them. You've matched the collections. You've put them into that scenario for you because you know, as a quilter, what they're looking for.
Yep.
I love that.
I try to go with like what I want, and I'm like, okay, I think they might want something like this, and generate it that way.
There you go. Hey, thanks for spending time with me.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.